Lapha kuseDennis Health Center enkabeni yeTheku. Lesikhungo sihlinzeka ngedingo kwabangenamakhaya nabaqhamuka kwamanye amazwe. Iningi labo alinawo amaphepha abagunyazayo ukuthola usizo ezikhungweni zomphakathi. uRose Chafunduka oneminyaka engama-30 wafika kuleli eqhamuka eZimbabwe eminyakeni eyisishagalolunye edlule. uChafunduka uthi wayibonela amathupha kula labo asebenza nabo.
I was scared because I thought maybe I was also going to get sick, but the people went to get vaccinated and then they didn't get sick. They didn't get any after effects after the vaccination. So I just said, let me just do it. There's no harm.
Iningi lalabo abagomile bathi uhlelo lwakhona liyashesha.
Mina ngoba ngizile la ngizojoba. Ngifuna ukuthi nami ngikwazi ukuthi ngithole usizo. Basi labo bangezange ngifuna ukuthi nabo ngifisa ukuthi beze bazojoba ngoba lento le ayikusi ngizenzela mina ngizenzela wonke umphakathi walana Africa.
iDennis Health Center ithi ukufinyelela kulabo abangenawo amaphepha afanele akubanga umsebenzi onzima.
They come here for the services that we render here in the Dennis Health Center. So some of them are sick, they come to our clinic, and those who are looking for any support from the refugee office, we get them here and we encourage them to come and get vaccinated.
Isikhungo sithi sicutsekile ngesibalo sabaphumile abakanquma ukuthi lolu hlelo luzophela nini. Bongani Gema indaba ze SABC eThekwini.